Hello, welcome to Statistics Online MA300.95M. I'm your instructor, Matthew Peoples, and I'm looking forward to getting to work with each of you. Statistics is a really interesting course. It's the art and science of planning studies and experiments, obtaining data and then organizing, summarizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting, and drawing conclusions from a sample about a population. In this online course, we will be learning about these aspects of statistics. We'll do so by learning about the techniques in each of these areas and then communicating about the results. In this introduction, I want to talk a little bit about my contact information, when and where do we meet, the textbook information, evaluating and grading criteria, registering for my stat lab, our homework assignments, and then what to do this week. My name's Matthew Peoples, and to contact me, I ask that you use my email and monitor your email for mpeoples@neit.edu. In addition to that, I have recorded lectures that I will be posting on Monday of each week. The recorded lectures come from the publisher, but I will also give a small brief as to what to expect for that week and assignments that you should be expected to complete. I will hold live seminars each week on Friday from 7 to 8:30 each week as needed. I will be available to answer your questions, but if nobody's online, I will also record some presentation about the homework and the assignments for that week. I have office hours that I can and I can make appointments using Canvas Chat and creating other live seminar broadcasts as well. The textbook we'll be using is an open source textbook called Introductory Statistics. It's the first edition by Alowski and Dean. The cost for accessing this textbook? Well, it's free. However, we will be using an accompanying online assignment software called Webassign. Now, the cost for this is very reasonable, probably in the $14 range for a full 10-week course. And I have posted directions for registering and a class key on Canvas to help you through that process. In addition to this, you should also have a scientific calculator and a notebook required in addition to the textbook, a Microsoft Excel 2013 and better, and of course access to Webassign. When I look at the criteria for which I'm going to evaluate your work, we're going to be grading according to the following. There's going to be online homework assignments for 9 chapters. We've got 9 chapters worth of work using Webassign homework assignments. So these are online assignments that you can complete, and you can complete them up to 5 to 10 times each during the week. And by the time they're due for full credit. Obviously, there will be a small late deduction for late assignments after that, but you should be able to access your assignments all term long. There will be 4 online quizzes that I will post on Canvas. They are Canvas quizzes. You can expect those to be due every other week. There are also 4 discussion board posts. The discussion board posts help you gather some information about the material and are expected to you're expected to write using your college level essay writing skills. So please be prepared to do that. In addition, I have video feedback about the video lessons, online seminars on participation, and that does count for 10% of your grade. So you do want to keep up with those every week and give me the Google form feedback. Finally, there will be a final project that will be due in week 10. The final project, it gathers together all of your skills from the previous weeks and allows you to put them in a final form using an assignment that I will send you individually. Participation is graded by means of a response to a Google form and participation in weekly discussions, and if you can make it, seminar attendance. For attendance, you will be using a Google Documents. Those you'll see posted on Canvas each week. Week 1 attendance will be due by Friday, March 29th to be counted as present. Additionally, I want to mention that we use Cengage, that Webassign comes from Cengage Publishing. It's a multimedia assignment program that helps you learn about the concepts we'll discuss along the way with reading and other assigned materials. Plus, in order to help you do the assignments efficiently, we're going to be using Microsoft Excel. This is a standard program that's used to help organize numerical data and comes standard with Microsoft Office, which is an industry standard. I asked this week that you go to Canvas and check out the materials I've posted. There you should find the course syllabus, information about textbook and access to Webassign, the program you'll be using to learn from, and the weekly modules that outline your assignments. For this first week, you should complete prior to Thursday, March 29th, watching the course introduction video, the one you're listening to now, and registering online with Webassign using the instructions that you find on Canvas. By Friday, March 30th, I would like you to respond to the attendance for that week. So, attend the seminar if possible. It is recorded if you cannot come. But I will take attendance by using the Google form that you find on Canvas under the course Chapter 1 module. Finally, due on Monday, April 1st, will be your first Webassign homework assignment and the discussion board post number 1. The focus this week is on statistics literacy. Statistics literacy, we're looking at the ideas of being able to understand what language we use in statistics and why we use that language at all. We talk about the ideas of gathering data and sampling. We talk about what it means to get an unbiased sample and how we can use that sample to represent a population. And then finally, information on how to talk about frequency and gathering and organizing that data. I want you to know that you have the ability to understand what statistics is all about. What it will take is your time and a little bit of dedication to do so. But I assure you, if you keep up with the homework daily, even if you only do a little bit, and ask questions when you're confused, you can and will be successful. Please be sure to visit Canvas often for announcements and course updates as they occur. I'm looking forward to meeting each of you in the course, and have a great week, everybody.